Hi guys, today we will learn about requirements engineering. What is requirement engineering? The process of establishing the services that the customer requires from a system and the constraints under which it operates and is developed. The requirements themselves are the descriptions of the system, services, and constraints that are generated during the requirements engineering process. What is requirement? It may range from a high-level abstract statement of a service or of a system constraints to a detailed mathematical functional specification. Requirements may serve a dual function, may be the basis for a bid for a contract, therefore must be open to interpretation, may be the basis for the contract itself, therefore must be defined in detail. Both those statements may be called requirements. Requirement abstraction. What is requirement abstraction? Requirement abstraction. If a company wishes to let a contract for a large software development project, it must define its need in a sufficiently abstract way that a solution is not predefined. The requirements must be written so that several contractors can bid for the contract, offering perhaps different ways of meeting the client organization's need. Once a contract has been awarded, the contractor must write a system definition for the client in more detail so that the client understands and can validate what the software will do. Both of those documents may be called the requirements document for the system. Next, types of requirement. User requirements. Number 1, user requirements. Statements in natural language plus diagrams of the services the system provides and its operational constraints written for customers. System requirements. A structured document setting out detailed descriptions of the system's functions, services, and operational constraints define what should be implemented, so may be part of a contract between client and contractor. User and system requirements. User requirement definition. The MHC PMS shall generate monthly management reports showing the cost of drugs prescribed by each clinic during that month. System requirement specification. 1.1 On the last working day of each month, a summary of the drugs prescribed, their cost, and the prescribing clinics shall be generated. 1.2 The system shall automatically generate the report for printing after 17.30 on the last working day of the month. 1.3 A report shall be created for each clinic and shall it list the individual drug names, the total number of prescriptions, the number of doses prescribed, and the total cost of prescribed drugs. 1.4 If drugs are available in different dose units, example 10 mg, 20 mg, separate reports shall be created for each dose unit. 1.5 Access to all cost report shall be restricted to authorized users listed on a management access control list. Readers of different types of requirement specification: user requirement, system requirement. User requirement: client managers, system end user, client engineers, contractor managers, system architects. Next, system requirement: system end users, client engineers, system architects, software developers.